Large-scale foundation projects demand more than a product supplier. They require a partner with the expertise, capacity, and support to deliver at every stage. PierTech brings engineering, manufacturing, and project support together under one roof. Our team works with customers early in the process, reviewing project requirements, geotechnical data, and loading conditions to develop an efficient, project-specific foundation solution. Inside our new 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility, we have expanded our capacity to produce large diameter, high capacity helical piles with the precision and quality demanding projects require. That added capacity also allows us to accommodate large orders, offer more responsive lead times, and keep projects moving on schedule. Throughout the project, our experienced sales team serves as a dedicated point of contact, coordinating with engineering, manufacturing, and logistics from initial planning through final delivery. PierTech has the people, expertise, and manufacturing capacity to support your largest foundation needs. PierTech Systems. Engineered for the project, manufactured for the challenge, delivered when you need it.